Over 7 days of research, we took a deep look into the Wii system to find malfunctions of the Wii remote, and then we figured it out. The Wii remote has two main jobs: to detect your input and send and receive information to and from the console. How does it work, you ask? Let's take a deeper look inside the Wii remote. A small black chip called the accelerometer. The accelerometer senses movement based on a pin that sends high voltage signals when you move it, based on an XYZ axis. As you lie a Wii remote on a flat surface, gravity pushes down on the spring in the accelerometer, making it negative on the Z-axis. If you flip it the other way, it'll make it negative on the Y-axis. And if you flip it the other way, on the X-axis, it'll make it negative on the X-axis. If we flip the Wii remote on the opposite ways, we'll trick the Wii remote thinking that gravity is pulling out towards space. And if you shake it like a salt shaker, it'll just go crazy off the charts, man. Here's what we tested. In the first test, we tried moving the Wii remote fast, seeing if it could read our movements, but it turned into a complete fail. But if we moved it slow, it read all the movements, as you can see here. So slow and steady is a complete success. In the second test, we tried to coordinate the amount of punches that I threw to the punches that me threw, and I threw more punches. I threw 5.3 punches per second. As you can see here, I was trying to punch as fast as I can. And the me only punched 1.29 punches per second, not nearly as much as I punched. After completing our testing, we did more research and realized the accelerometer isn't the problem. The accelerometer can send 3 megabytes per second, as for humans, we can send only 1 with the Wii remote. So we investigated the Bluetooth chip. The Bluetooth chip can send and receive information, but we thought we could not receive all of that at once. But then we found out that it can receive up to 3 megabits per second. We looked at what we did. We finally realized programmers made it so we couldn't move at inhumanely fast speeds like what we tried with the Wii remote. They've programmed it to make it more realistic. So don't get mad and throw your console at the wall. Blame it all on the programmer.